Hi, sexy people. Yeah, we hit 25 subscribers, bro. Thank you.
Let's go.
I love you.
Thank you guys for everything you do. We appreciate the
Yes,
support.
bro. I love each and every one of you. And I know that for a fact because
I know
all of you
I
guys.
realized I follow you in all my 3 emails.
Oh no.
There's like a ton of birds over there.
Seagull. They're kind of hot, not gonna lie.
Gonna look like
Nah, bro. Let's chase them down, bro. If they attack us, bro. Bro, they're all just kind of vibing.
they're scary as fuck. Yeah.
Bro. That one's standing on. That one's standing. That one too. Yeah.
There's shit everywhere.
Those two look like they're about to make out, bro.
Bro, cut that out. Cut out.
Get that out.
No, cut out the parts where I say no.
Yeah.
You have to. What if you can't get him in 1 minute? Because like I'm saying,
You just said it again. Yeah, so y'all are sexy for real. Forgot to mention, for my 25th subscriber special, I'm walking on the beach with my wife.
what the fuck was that?
It's more entertaining for me than it is you guys, but I just thought that I should share this experience with you.
Because like we're not walking alone. We're walking with you.
Yeah, we're walking.
Are people staring? Yeah. Are we Emily?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God, Emily!
Oh my God,
you can't take me anywhere!
Cut that out.
Remember that one time we kidnapped Keshav and fed him to
I say Micah. Yeah.
We have to find like the perfect angle, yeah. I don't know what to do anymore, so.
So you guys belong to me now. So this is a subscriber. I'm sorry, I keep bro. Okay, so yeah, I got nothing.
Yeah, like this is honestly such a big like
this is like a milestone for
I
Nadia's
know,
career. You know,
I know.
what? She's gonna be a vlogger one day.
Yeah.
This is happening because of you guys.
Yeah, all of y'all are sexy, for real.
For real?
For real. No, I'm just kidding. Wife is sexiest. You guys are sexist. I said
I am
sexiest.
sexist.
We're so stupid.
Anyway, we love you guys.
Yeah. Update.
We were gonna watch
wait,
the sunset,
yeah.
but like no, because there's
Yeah,
storm
there's
coming.
like a giant storm coming, so like we're leaving now. But like there's the sun, and it's about to set. But
so that was sad.
yeah, it was kind of sad.